What is up, you guys? It's your girl, Imani, back with the what? Back with the who? Back with
Another one.
you already know what the vibes is. So today, I'm gonna be bringing y'all along with me, getting ready to make my audition video. Not gonna give what I'm auditioning for. Not gonna give no backtalk because we don't want energies and people preying on our downfall. So I just want to bring y'all guys with me. As y'all can see, I have the eyebrows already going. It looked like it's turning a little already. I'm gonna keep it on here till I can't keep it no more because for some reason my eyebrows love to not bleach fully blonde. Last time I did my edges, they're pretty much growing out, but not enough to actually retouch them. The roots on my hair, I'm almost due for a touch up and recolor. So yeah, I'm going to be shampooing my hair, doing a deep condition, and I'm gonna be doing me some cute little braids going to the back. The loc version though, because I wanted that style that the girls was getting before I locked in my hair, but it is what it is. So now I just gotta do it with my locks. Yeah, so if you guys would like to follow along with this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of the gang. Oh yeah, I cut my nails off. Follow all my social medias down below so y'all can stay in touch with me. And let's just get into the video.
20 minutes later.
So I have already put the dye on my brows and my edges, and I just still using this. What I had left over is already mixed to the color that I need it to be. So yeah, my eyebrows and my edges will be brighter than my actual hair because that's faded, but who cares? I don't. So I'm gonna let this sit on here for about maybe 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back, take a shower, wash my hair and all that, and then I will get to refilling. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
So you guys, I just finished with the eyebrows and doing my edges. This is how it came out. Really cute. It looked kind of crazy because my hair faded, but we don't care. So right now, I'm finna get ready to eat. I made me 2 burgers with Ezekiel bread. Got me a juice, some water, and I'm finna sit up and watch Prime Family, y'all. I'll touch back up with y'all when I get actually in the shower. Bye.
2 hours later.
Take this overboard now. I want you to feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride the
Eventually.
I wake from my slumber.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
As you can see, I am under the dryer. I literally just started, but I stopped talking just to let y'all know this is where we are. I was watching American Horror Story, but I'm not gonna be able to hear that with the dryer on, so I'm gonna just be on my phone. So yeah, I'll come back to y'all when I'm like actually finished ready to do my hair.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I have finished washing out the deep conditioner. My locks are dry now. They feel so much better. This is a prime example right here of how my locks are. They literally do whatever, like, they do whatever they want. This is, I guess you would call this budding. I don't know. I don't know what you would call this. But this is how my hair, my lock journey is coming. Like, it's annoying, but a lot of my locks do that. Let me show y'all another one. Oh, well, look, another one on this side. I like to call this my budding for my locks. They just like to ravel into each other, I guess. This one right here is bad. Like, look, like, oh, look at that, look at that. I think it's like, cause like if I pull it hard enough, it'll come down, but that hurts my head. So like I don't even want to do that. But yeah, so my locks are dry now, and I'm about to braid them down in my style. Y'all, my eyes are so red. I got some stuff in them. Here go another one. Here's another. Another. So we're gonna just say this is my booty. Teeth still white. Without further ado, I'm gonna get y'all set up in the bathroom, and we gonna get to braiding. Purr.
One pathetic sob story later.
I've done 3 braids. Here, got my edges out. These are the braids. Front, the back. Don't clown me on how they look on the back, because I can't even see back there. So I'm trying my best. Trying my best. trying my best. That's literally it. But I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair and I'm gonna come back when I'm done.
One debt to society later.
So y'all, I finished up my braids. Always set them with some mousse. I use Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. Put a little got to be on it. Tie it down. If you don't have no do-rag, I got a do-rag. And I'm gonna go sit up under the dryer until I feel like it's done. But I'm gonna keep this on for the rest of the night though. And that it'd be all for this part. They were watching me. So I will get back with y'all tomorrow when I actually do my edges and all of that. Have a great evening, morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this.